来看，伫咧北极圈的因纽特人会用冰甲雪来起造冰厝，这是因出外去拍蜡临时住的所在。不过，即马这因纽特人的生活嘛是愈来愈现代化，所以这冰厝当也转做观光用途。
甲冰雪先切做冰砖渣，慢慢贴做半球形，最后才封顶。这就是北极原住民因纽特人的传统建筑冰厝。因纽特人是半游牧民族，当出外拍来时阵，就会起冰厝做临时住所。天后热天则换大天道。
The igloo is a part of me. I'm very connected to one, and this is very well made.
老一辈的辈温下跌，1953年伫加拿大西北领地一个冰厝来出世。尾仔捌离开故乡读册，再搁倒来故乡生活。伊讲对族人追求搁较里边的现代生活，拢去住永久主题。后来已经无听讲有人住伫冰厝内，有当时才有极地探险家会晓去。
But what we can use for the technology that we need to live up here, we will use that and embrace it.
You need to keep up with the times. For example, like I'm sitting on a newer snowmobile back in the day. Maybe even 80 years ago, they were using dog teams.
有一寡因纽特人感觉冰厝也是会当伫紧急的时阵发挥重要功能，不过当代科技也会当互极地活动更较利便甲安全。这几年因纽特人社区开始设太阳能板甲电动车的充电器这的科技产品，对因来讲，传统生活甲现代科技这两项并无冲突。公司新闻由派准编译。